In this step, we're going to go over how to add a product. So once you're logged in your vendor dashboard and your account's approved, you're going to head over to this menu on the left over here. It's called Inventory. You're going to click on Inventory. Once you're here, this page shows you all your analytics, all your graphs, but more on this later. For now, on the top of the page, you'll see a Add Product button on your top right. You're going to hit that button. Once you hit that button, it'll show you a little pop-up, just like this. Now, what's great on this pop-up is it makes it pretty straightforward on how to add a product. You can fill out all 4 of the steps on the left-hand side, 5th step being review and save. And as you're filling everything out, the preview will start populating, just so you can see how the product will look. So let's get started. So our product name here is going to be t-shirt. Now t-shirt is going to fall under clothing. It's going to go under men's clothing. Our brand is going to be the t-shirt brand, and this is going to be our test description. Like I mentioned earlier, you saw as I'm populating stuff as I'm filling stuff out on the left, the right's getting populated as well. So we hit next. Now we're on step 2. This is your pricing and inventory. So here you can put in your selling price. We recommend you put in your, whatever price you want the customer to see. Now, you got 2 more options here, cost price and margin. Now, cost price is how much your product costs you. You don't have to fill it in, but we do say it's better for you to fill it in. That way all your graphs and analytics later on will populate real-time data, and it'll make it easier for you to reconcile your accounts at the end of the month. But anyways, we're going to fill this in. We're going to say, let's say we're selling this shirt for $5. We buy them for $2. Margin will autofill. We have a 60% margin on these shirts. That's great. Next. Now we're in our product details step. Product details, you get to add these things called variants. Now, you can have an unlimited amount of variants per product. Let me show you what that means. So, our first variant we're going to keep it black. We're going to say this is size medium. We're going to say this weighs 0.1 kilo. The supplier name is going to be t-shirt supplier. We're going to have our location as warehouse A. Barcode. Again, not all of these things are mandatory because we understand you might not have all these things ready. Now, dimensions over here. This is where you're going to put in the product's actual dimensions, not the shipping dimensions. So we're going to put in the dimensions. The shirt is, let's say it's 20 inches in length. It's about 15 inches in width and 10 inches in height. We want this variant to be active. We want people to be able to buy and sell it. We have exactly 10 of these shirts. So that's the black one right there. We're going to also add another one over here. We're going to call this one red. And we're going to give this one size. It's going to be size large. By the way, you can have multiple sizes. So let's say I have medium and large for this. And for this, we only have small and large. This one also weighs 0.1. Supplier name. We can put in different supplier names here if we want. This could just be shirt shop, warehouse B, and this could be your barcode. We'll fill out some more dimensions. And for this one, we have 7. This one we'll also keep as active. Now here in the bottom, we can fill out some details. So you can have a really nice description about your shirt, what it is, how it's made. This is a handmade shirt from Vietnam. All the cotton is 100% fair trade. And the shirt is 100% cotton. Care. You can enter all your care information for the shirt. Please only hand wash and air dry. Size and fit. You can put in the details for if you have a certain type of body type you're making this product for. Big and tall. And here you can add some certs. So We got a lot of certs over here. If you feel like there's anything missing, you can let us know. So we'll call this one Fair Trade Certified and Organic Certified. Now, one thing we recommend, don't choose any certs that you don't have, because every product you add goes through a verification process. And we will ask you for the documentation to back up all your certs. Add tags here. We're going to call these tags t-shirts, shirts, short-sleeved, fair trade, and cotton. Any additional notes? We don't have any, so we'll leave it. But now you can see, you can scroll down on the right-hand side, and this will show the details and all the stuff that we just filled out right here. So we can go next. Here we can enter all our images and our photos. So we'll use both the photos. We have a black shirt, and we also have a red shirt. Here's both of our options. All right, next. And this is the review step. We get to check our entire product, make sure everything makes sense to us. All right, once we're ready with this, we press that Save Product button, and boom. If we just hit that little products button over here in our inventory, we'll see our t-shirts has popped up over here. And it's right here. So we can even see all the details when we press this down button. Now, this product won't show up just yet on our front-end website, because this will also go through a verification process. But more on that to come. This was how you added a product on Salaaz.